We recently stayed at the Esquire Hotel in downtown Gastonia, and that is located just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. So, this building used to be a former bank, a bank that actually was so rich in history that it made its own legal currency, which is quite interesting. Then it became a lawyer's building. So, this is going to be the restaurant that is located right off of the lobby. We didn't get a chance to eat here because they had a special event going on. So this is once you go upstairs, the elevator, this is the hotel corridor, and we stayed in 404. And we'll take you on a quick tour of the king size room. The room was great. Obviously, as you can see, lots of sun coming in. There was a wedding party going on while we were there, which is why the restaurant was closed. There was a bar in the basement that we could have eaten at. There is a courtyard right outside of this specific room. And so it was a little bit loud right up until 10 p.m. And then I guess everybody went in. So, but it was kind of nice. I'll show you that in just a moment. And we're just looking at all of the amenities. So there was a weird sound in here while we were staying. And I will pause and let you hear that. So, I don't know what that noise was, but this is the courtyard that is adjacent to the hotel where you can hang out. This was sunset over Kings Mountain. So pretty. It was a great view from the hotel. All throughout the building, there is a lot of historic touches. It's really fun the way that they have acknowledged the history of the building throughout the property. So there are some great views of downtown Gastonia. There's not a lot to do there. I do suggest that you go to Webb Custom Kitchen. That is an excellent restaurant in an old movie theater. But there is rooftop access on top of the hotel with great views. And I believe that it is Crowder Mountain that you can see from up there on top of the roof.